How to draw a bar of soap, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a small bubble right here towards the right hand side of the page, which will be on our bar of soap. Nice, that small bubble looks similar to a cloud. Now attached to that bubble, we're going to draw a big curved line, which will be the top of our bar of soap. Now on the current endpoint of that curved line that we just drew together, let's go ahead and draw a smaller bubble. Coming out of this small bubble that we make, we're going to draw another curved line, which will help make the left side of our bar of soap. Nicely done. Now let's go ahead and draw the small curved line going down. Now we're going to draw one more bubble, which will be right here on this endpoint. Now that we have all of our bubbles drawn, we can go ahead and connect the rest of the sides of our bar of soap. Now in the center of the bar of soap that we just made, we're just going to simply write soap. And for this part, you can use any font that you wish. Fantastic. Now last but not least, I'll add a couple small curved lines on the inside for detail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a bar of soap. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.